ready to declutter your Shopify store and boost its performance. Let's dive into efficiently uninstalling apps you no longer need. First things first, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps section. Click on it to open your app list. Here you'll see all the apps currently integrated with your store. Take a moment to review this list and identify the app you wish to remove. It's helpful to have a clear understanding of what each app does before you proceed. Once you've found the app, look for the uninstall option. This is often found by clicking on the app itself, or sometimes directly next to the app in the list. Click on uninstall to initiate the removal process. A confirmation window will likely appear. It might ask for a reason for uninstalling. Be sure to carefully read any prompts and confirm that you want to proceed with the uninstallation. After you confirm, the app will be uninstalled from your Shopify store. You might see it disappear from your list immediately, or after a brief refresh. This action helps to streamline your store's functionality by removing any code or processes associated with the app. Uninstalling unused apps is a crucial step in maintaining an efficient and cost-effective e-commerce platform. It can lead to faster loading times and a more organized backend, ensuring your Shopify store remains focused and high-performing. And that's how you successfully delete apps on Shopify. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Happy selling!